Taco Bell is extremely expensive. I might not be back. I got a combo and an extra taco. And I spent $9.27. Could have went to this other restaurant spot I liked. Probably should have. My boy Howard here. He suggested it. And I was wrong to say Taco Bell. I could have, for $2 less, almost $2 less, could have got a 12-inch sub, steak and cheese, fries, and a drink from a really cool restaurant called Bella Napoli.
Bella Napoli.
Yeah, Bella Napoli. And I'm losing because I got a stuffed burrito, grilled stuffed burrito, comes with a taco, and I got a drink that comes with it, the whole combo. Then I said, hey, I want to live dangerously, try to get filled up. Let me get an extra taco. And I got the Locos taco, the Doritos one. It was quite Locos. It was good, tasty, but my wallet's kind of light right now because it is now. I'm thinking about just taking my drink and just throwing it all over the floor just to let you know how mad I am, but I'm saved, so I can't do that. So anyway, Howard lost too.
I never lose. Never.
All right, y'all.